So, on a very miserable afternoon at Carrow Road, yes. So, you're probably wondering what this is. So, recently, like a couple of weeks ago, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and also, I think we are monetized now. So, if you see an advert, that would be the reason. But to celebrate it, and foolishly I'm considering it, but I am going to do one lap around Carrow Road. Now I want you to know I am not a runner. Look, I'm a big bloke. I got no running shoes, as you can see, no running shoes. And yeah, we're going to do it. It's raining, horrible. Yeah, so let's just do it, shall we? Where shall we start it? We'll start it here. Why not? Right in front of the Barclay. Let's go with the coat on. Why not? This is probably a stupid idea. I did some stretches, but don't know how long that'll last. There's also some work going on, so I don't know if I'll get told off. We'll see. Bloody hell, what a stupid idea. Here we're now approaching the hotel Holiday Inn. Been here for, well, it's on a loan for 100 years, I think. Bloody hell, car coming onto the path through the narrow gap. I'm already tiring. Oh, God's sake. Sorry. Load of people decide to come through at the moment I run through. Right. Now we're at the Gerald stand now. Oh, Jesus. Alright, I'm starting to die now. Oh, this is my limit. This is stupid. There's the Gerald. Oh. Probably not the best to watch. You'll probably be seasick. It's going to be a slow jog, I think. There's the south stand. Now, at the Jorma. Oh God, there had to be a barricade right here. Just a bit through the barrier. Now at the river end. This is so dumb. This is not how you're supposed to run. I can't survive. I'll have to walk the rest. Oh, no. Light jog. We can do it. No, I can't do it. Nearly there. At the shop now. I can't run. I'm dead. there's a sale on at the moment. Can we run the rest like jog? Yeah. Oh, we're nearly there. Oh. Oh, sight coming up. Look at this director's entrance at the Jeffrey Watland. Here it is. Yellows. Oh fuck. Oh god. I can't run. Here we are. Just around the corner. We got it. I can't do it. I can't do it. My chest is burning. And here we are. Just about at the gun club. I made it. Here we are. We've done it. 1 lap. Complete. Sort of. If you like this, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Maybe we'll get to 1 lap at Portman Road if we reach 2,000 subscribers. Until next time, bye guys.